Sometimes one moment, just one, is all it takes to change everything. Today's case shows how pride, ego, and fighting skills pushed two grown men straight into a courtroom. But the real question is, was this just a simple fight or something serious enough to demand legal action? You decide.
Jamar Clark. Court is calling 2024 CR 008195-02. State versus Jamar Clark. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Dwight Chumley for the defendant now.
And are you Mr. Clark?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Clark, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Are there any applications?
Yes. Ooh. Maybe not. Hold on.
Thank you. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with the offense, or at least the state is proceeding on the offense of disorderly conduct as a Class B misdemeanor. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $2,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Yes. Did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision or Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Did you understand if the court were to grant an application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could sentence you up to a $2,000 fine and up to 180 days in the Bexar County Jail? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Clark, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you can be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. There are no applications for deferred.
No, just straight probation.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. They're proceeding on the lesser included offense of disorderly conduct. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes.
State? It is. Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Yes. By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of a year. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, no contact with the complainant, and anger management. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
No objections, Your Honor.
And state, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant? All right, thank you. State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, proceeding with sentencing.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, Mr. Clark's been a perfect client. He's been at court many, many times. He's never missed a time. He's never been late. He always shows up well dressed. He's been very helpful in me helping defend him. We spent a lot of time looking at the facts. We negotiated this deal in good faith at the DA's office, and he recently he is from New York State, Your Honor, and has a mother up there that's not doing well, and he is actually moving back up there as soon as he can. I think he'd be a great candidate for probation.
What county is that in New York? I don't know.
And he's very remorseful about the whole situation. It's kind of embarrassing, to be honest with you, but
As they should be, two
Yeah.
grown men challenging each other to a fight in a parking lot.
well, they teach fighting, so they they maybe let it roll over too much. But yes, you're right. You're very correct.
All right. Do you have employment where you going, and what will you be doing? Doing what?
Teach martial arts. Self-defense. Like not getting hit. It's called
Not
fitness.
offense, but defense. All right. This is what the court will do. The court is going to sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail, suspended and probated for 1 year. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person, $500 fine. That will be probated.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Transfer to Manhattan, New York. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home health care provider with minors. 200 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order anger management. Once that's completed, 100 hours of community service will be deemed satisfied. Do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their ages?
31 to 20.
I'm sorry?
31 to 20.
All right. Do you have any grandchildren? There's to be no contact with Mark Langon, Langon. Probation. Is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Grown men fighting in the streets, what have we come to when we're arguing over what fighting style is the best? And so what fighting styles were you all using? What was somebody doing Muay Thai and somebody's doing something else?
Well, he was a bigger gentleman to me, but because I'm the defensive man, I should have walked.
You should have. It's not like Mortal Kombat. Get over here. All right, good luck to you, okay?
Jamar Clark walked out with a 6-month sentence, suspended, and 1 year of probation, a second chance. But was that the right call? When is a fight just a fight? And when does it cross the line into a crime? Tell us what you think. And if you want more real courtroom moments, real consequences, and real lessons, subscribe now, because every case has a story, and you don't want to miss the next one.